Okay. No brakes. This is the end of our ride, and we're just trying to see. All right, so here we go. So this is the end of our ride. It is currently Columbus Day, school's out, and or as we would call it, Indigenous Peoples Day. But anyway, so I wanted to test out this drone. I want to see how well it does with obstacles, avoidance, and active track in a relatively wooded area, as you can see here. I'm actually at the end of this ride, so but how did we get to this point? Go ahead and enjoy the video. Ready?
I don't race.
No, we're gonna race, but just stay with Labo, okay?
Oh, they do. That's it. And I'm the honey. Okay, I'm the side that I.
Watch, stay to the light, car's coming. Stay to the right, Yusuf. Careful, careful. Yeah. Oh no, it lost. Hold on.
Kinaki? Redaki? Calculati?
Wait.
I can see it.
Mm-hmm.
Behind you. I can see it. It's coming. It's coming.
Yeah.
Do you hear it? It's here. I can see it.
Okay, here you go. Stay to the right, car's coming. This car's coming, stop. Let's go, Yu. Okay. Yeah. Stay with Baba. Okay, careful, there's a doggy out there. Yeah. Yeah. You come on, stay with Baba. I'm being so slow. Okay, let's turn right. This way, come on. Yeah, it is, but you gotta get closer to Baba. Car's coming. Car's coming. Come to the right. Move to the right. Car's coming. Yeah, stay to the right. Yeah. Wait for the car. Wait for the car. We're gonna turn left. Oh no, it lost me. Hold on. Yeah, hold on.
Oh,
All right, go. Oh, actually, we went the wrong way. This is the wrong way. We gotta turn around. Come on. Let's go. Mm.
wait. Baik.
Oh, dia bagi.
Como você vai? Eles. Estamos sabendo que não? Você então também. Oi. Não. Tudo que você vai.
Okay. And the wing or the propeller is broken. Okay, so this is not going to be able to fly. I didn't bring the extra propellers. Okay, so thing is pretty good until it got lost in the shrubbery. And obstacle avoidance is actually really good. This is where it was basically going before it couldn't get through that, which is understandable. I was trying to take over. I should have hit stop. So I guess it's just a matter of having some control. I mean, I think that's pretty good. That's good enough for now, seeing how well this thing does. I guess I packed extra batteries, but what I should have done is packed extra the propellers, so that way I could always replace them when we're done. Anyway, that's the end of this test. In this video, I just wanted to do a showcase of how well this drone does with obstacle avoidance and active track while on a bike. So it is Columbus Day, and this is actually the end of our ride. No brakes. This is the end of our ride, and we're just trying to see. All right, so here we go. So this is the end of our ride. It is currently Columbus Day, school's out, and or as we would call it, Indigenous Peoples Day. But anyway, so I wanted to test out this drone. I wanted to see how well it does with obstacles, avoidance, and active track in a relatively wooded area, as you can see here.
Let's go to the park.
Yeah, we are at the park.
Let's go to the park.
You want to go play in there? Okay, hold on. Let me pack up the drone.